Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into The Art of War by Sun Tzu. While this ancient Chinese military treatise was written over 2,000 years ago, its lessons are incredibly relevant for students today. Let's explore how the key points from this book can help you excel in your studies and life. Just as generals need a solid strategy, students need a clear plan. Set specific goals for your studies. Break down your tasks into manageable parts and create a timetable. Planning helps you stay organized and focused. Sun Tzu talks about efficiency. In your studies, this means using your time wisely. Avoid procrastination and prioritize your tasks. Work smarter, not harder. Use your strengths to your advantage and tackle your weaknesses strategically. If you're good at a particular subject, use that confidence to boost your overall study routine. For challenging subjects, break them into smaller, more manageable tasks. Position yourself for success. Create a conducive study environment, free from distractions. Surround yourself with positive influences and resources that help you learn better. Sun Tzu emphasizes the importance of momentum. Keep a steady pace in your studies. Take regular breaks to recharge. Use your peak energy times for the most challenging tasks. Try the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle to maintain high energy and focus. Identify your strengths and weaknesses. Focus on improving your weak areas while leveraging your strengths. Use study groups and ask for help when needed. Create a SWOT analysis for your subjects. List your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats to better understand where to focus your efforts. Be adaptable. If a study method isn't working, try something new. Flexibility in your approach can lead to better results. Switch between different study techniques like mind mapping, summarizing, or teaching the material to a friend. Adapt your strategies based on what works best for each subject. Keep your study routine dynamic. Mix up your study techniques to keep things interesting and engaging. This helps in retaining information better. Use flashcards, create diagrams, and discuss topics with friends. Incorporate active recall and spaced repetition into your routine to enhance memory. Take care of your well-being. Get enough sleep, eat healthily, and stay active. A healthy body supports a sharp mind. Create a balanced routine with time for exercise, nutritious meals, and rest. Try yoga, meditation, or a quick walk to stay refreshed. Know your learning environment. Adapt your study methods to suit different subjects. Study in a library for focus, at home for comfort, or a quiet cafe for a change. Use visual aids for complex topics and summaries for easier ones. Different situations need different strategies. For tough subjects, break material into parts and review them frequently. Use flashcards or quizzes for easier topics. Adapt based on your progress. Use powerful tools and resources. Leverage technology and apps like Quizlet for flashcards, Coursera for courses, and Google Scholar for research. Use digital tools like Grammarly and Notion for organizing notes. Gather information. Seek advice from teachers, mentors, and peers. Join study forums and groups for motivation. Use platforms like Khan Academy for support. Remember, the art of war isn't just for the battlefield. Apply these strategies to your studies for success. Stay focused, adaptable, and strive for excellence. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Keep learning and growing.